If you're looking for pet products that people are already buying and are willing to spend a lot of money on, this video is for you. And along the way, you'll see a lot of pet clips, which honestly makes this video worth watching until the end by itself. Here's the key thing you need to understand. Pet owners don't see these as products. They see them as something for their four-legged family members, and that's exactly why the pet niche is one of the strongest and most profitable niche in dropshipping. Buyers are willing to spend top dollar if the product solves a real problem or improves their pet's life. So in this video, I'll show you the top 7 pet products, how much they sell for, how much they cost to source, and how much profit they're actually generating, all backed by data. So let's get into the first product. 2-in-1 Dog Bath Brush. So for the first product in today's video is the 2-in-1 Dog Bath Brush. I especially like this product because it's a product that is needed by almost every pet owner, and that's why the marketing fit is huge. This type of product naturally performs well on social media, drives strong engagement, and can send high traffic to a dropshipping store. I was able to find this dropshipping store selling the same exact product. This store is selling the product for $29.99 with color variations. Now, I can say that I think this is a good product, but I prefer to base decisions on data, not gut feelings. So that's why I'm going to use a tool called the Store Sales Tracker from Zeek Analytics to validate this product using real numbers instead of guessing. So I'll copy the store URL, go to Zeek, and paste the URL into the Store Sales Tracker tool. Now I'm going to get a full analysis of this dropshipping store, including its revenue, best-selling products, and here I can see that this product was sold 242 times in the past 30 days. Let's check sourcing. I will click on the item finder to find an exact or close match. Let's see. Let's go with this product here. Okay, so this is definitely the same exact product, and it can be sourced for only $6.09 plus $1.99 shipping because it's an AliExpress choice product that costs less than $10. Now let's talk about profit. The dropshipping store is selling this item for $29.99, including shipping. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, totaling $1.16. The price on AliExpress is $8.08, including shipping. That means for each sale, the dropshipping store is profiting $21.91. And by selling this product 242 times in the past 30 days, this one product alone generated $5,302 in profit before ads and operational expenses. Okay, here's a product you are not gonna see every day, the Pooch Sleeveless Pet Hoodie. And if you ask me, this is an amazing product for dropshipping. It's hard to find in physical stores. The wow effect is definitely there. And because it's such a unique product, it's much easier to reach high engagement on social media with it. On top of that, this product is not exaggerated yet, which means now is the best time to add it to your store. So I found this store selling it. The store is selling the Pooch Pet Hoodie for $89.95, which are Canadian dollars, which is around 65 US dollars. When I scanned the store using the Zeek Store Sales Tracker, I was able to see that this product was sold 142 times in the past 30 days. When I looked at the sourcing, I found the same product on AliExpress. Now, the sourcing price is $44.09 with free shipping. Following the same calculation formula we used before, the profit per sale comes out to be $19. And by selling this product 142 times in the past 30 days or past month, this product generated a monthly profit of $2,698. And like I mentioned earlier, this product is still not exaggerated yet, which makes it a strong opportunity to add to your store right now. Okay, we're 2 products products in, and there is still a lot of really good products coming up in this video. If this has been helpful so far, a quick like and subscribe really helps me and us know to keep making more videos like these. And if you want to use the same product research and validation tools I'm using, you can check out Zeek and start using it today. Now, the next product is a pretty basic one, but it keeps performing year after year, even going into 2026. It's the pet hair cleaning gloves. It's a simple product with very high demand and strong profit margins. I was able to find this dropshipping store selling the product. Now, this store is selling the pet hair cleaning gloves for $16.90. And when I added the product to checkout, I noticed there is an additional $3.99 for shipping. That brings the total price to $20.89, which is including shipping. So when I scanned this store using the store sales tracker tool, I could see that this product was sold, yes, you're seeing that right, 999 times in the past 30 days. And this is exactly why I said earlier that this product keeps performing year after year. Now I'm going to click on the item finder tool to find an exact match. And let's go ahead and go with this one right here. Now this is the exact same product, but here I can source it as a 2-pack instead of a 1-pack that the dropshipping store is selling. The cost is $8.53 plus $1.99 for shipping, which brings the total sourcing price to $10.52. That means if we sell this 2-pack at the same price as the dropshipping store, the profit is $9.40 per sale. And by selling this item 999 times in the past 30 days, this product alone generated a monthly profit of $9,390. What a great find. The next product is the Pet Furniture Protector. This is a very practical product that allows pet owners to spend time with their pets while keeping their furniture clean and scratch-free. It solves a real problem, which makes it easy to sell. I was able to find this pet furniture protector in the dropshipping store. This store is selling it for $43.11, which are British pounds, which is around 56 US dollars. And after scanning this store, I was able to see that they sold this product an impressive 213 times. Now, let's look at sourcing. I found the exact same product on AliExpress. The sourcing price is $11.86 plus $23.81 for shipping, which brings the total sourcing cost to $35.67. That means the dropshipping store is profiting around $18 per sale. And by selling this product 213 times in the past month, this product alone generated a monthly profit of $3,834. And to increase your conversion rate, it's always better to offer a few variations of colors and sizes in your dropshipping store so buyers can choose what fits their needs best. The next product is a must-have for every dog owner who wants to include their dog in daily traveling and cycling routines. The Pet Bike Trailer. And honestly, this video already says it all. At first glance, it looks like a very expensive item, but the sourcing price might actually surprise you. So I was able to find this dropshipping store selling this product. The store is selling the product for $149.99. And to be honest, that's a very reasonable price for a product like this. When I scanned the store using the Zeek store sales tracker, I could see that this product was sold 57 times in the past 30 days. Now, when I looked at the sourcing, I was able to find the exact same product on AliExpress for $107.39 with free shipping. That means the profit per sale is $38. And with 57 sales in the past 30 days, this product generated a monthly profit of $2,166. The next product is a great one for beginners who want to understand the dropshipping world with a low-cost product that still has very high demand: the Travel Collapsible Dog Bowl. This product sells consistently all year long with even bigger spikes during peak travel periods. I was able to find this product in this dropshipping store. This store is selling the product for
29.95 Australian dollars, which is 20 American dollars.
And when I scanned this store, I could see that this product was sold 293 times in the last 30 days. Now, when I sourced this product using the item finder tool, I was able to find the same exact product on AliExpress. The sourcing price is $6.64 plus $1.99 for shipping. Because this is an AliExpress choice product under $10, the total sourcing cost comes to $8.63. That means the dropshipping store is profiting around $10 per sale. And with 293 sales in the past 30 days, this product alone generated a monthly profit of
$2,930.
Okay, so the next product is one of my favorites, mainly because for the second year in a row, the demand for this product is staying high. Pet owners keep buying this grooming mist brush to keep their pets' fur smooth and their pets happy. I was able to find this dropshipping store selling the product. The store is selling the grooming mist brush for $29.95, which is exactly what I would call an impulsive buy price point. When I copied the store's URL into the store sales tracker, I was able to see that this is a one product store. And that usually means the product vetting is very strong because the store owner built the entire store around this one product. The numbers confirm it. This product generated 424 sales in the past 30 days. Now, I'll click on the item finder tool to source this product, and I can already see several exact matches. So let's take a look at this one here. This is the exact same grooming mist brush, and it can be sourced for $9.82 plus $1.99 for shipping. Because this is an AliExpress choice product, the total sourcing cost comes out to $11.81. That means the profit per sale is $17. And with 424 sales in the past 30 days, this product generated a total monthly profit of $7,208, all from a well-researched product with high demand and stable sales throughout the year. So the real question is, would you give this product a chance in your store? So now you have the top 7 pet products, from low-cost beginner items to high-ticket products, all generating real sales and real profit. And the biggest takeaway is simple. When a product solves a real problem for pet owners, price becomes secondary. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't need hundreds of products. You need a few well-researched products, validated with data, in a niche where buyers already want to spend. If this video helped you understand how to spot winning pet products and validate them properly, I appreciate you hitting the like and subscribe button. It really helps me keep making content like this. And if you want to use the same product research and validation tools I'm using in this video, you can start using Zeek today and apply this exact process to your own store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.